See the big one.
Oh, wow. Beautiful how the sun reflects.
I see the duck. I want to take into my home.
Whoa. I wonder what it represents. Bonus.
Wow, the airplane, the old airplane.
Wow. I'm really happy we came here. It's an old American car. Is this a Buick? These must be 50s cars.
I think it's over the Changa.
Where are we going today?
Expo Georgia.
The Exposition of Achievements of the People's Economy of the Georgian Soviet Socialist Republic.
Let's go.
Let's go. I think when we get off the bridge, there should be a mosaic.
This one? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That is beautiful.
It's beautiful how the sun reflects off the stone. Okay, you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Let's go. A lot of branches fell. We just had a big snowstorm and there was a lot of wind. Oh, look, I see the next one.
Where?
Right across the street. Okay, let's turn right here and we'll go in the main entrance.
You see, it's a Cuban.
Which one do you like?
Orange?
The orange one?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Is that nice?
Okay, I think this is the entrance.
Oh, I see the duck.
I love all this old architecture.
You know what I see?
What have you seen?
Here. Is it a wall?
I can't see it. What is it?
Is it mosaics?
A mosaic, another one?
Yeah. That is cool.
Yeah. Whoa. Okay, this is a nice one to start with.
Oh, they have something in pocket already.
Let's get close. Oh, some people painted on it. Wow, a lot of it is broken.
Yeah. That is so sad. And you can see the beautiful here, but it is so sad. It's a pocket. Oh my God. Oh, honey, I see the long car. And own.
A long car?
Yeah. Bentley?
Oh, wow. Is it a Bentley Limousine?
Yeah. Is that cool?
Wow.
Hello. Hello. Good morning. You want the food? It's big dog. You want? No? I can keep you here, okay?
Oh, I think they're too tired to eat.
Yeah.
These guys are not like the dogs that we found last time were hungry.
Yeah. That is big dog.
He's solar powered. Be careful. Don't get him angry.
I want to take into my home. That is too sweet dog in here. Oh, I saw already here.
Let's get the best view that we can. I wonder what it represents. Maybe the woman is representing the motherland. Ooh, surprise.
Oh.
Bonus.
Be careful, the kitten. It's big already. Wow. I think what is this?
It's really interesting. What do you think it is?
The last one?
Yeah.
The airplane? The old airplane? That is so hot.
I think it kind of looks like a satellite. I'm excited to see the sculpture here.
See the big one.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, I'm real excited. I've been looking forward to seeing that one.
Here.
But first, let's look at this.
That's so beautiful. That is.
Oh, it's in really good condition.
Beautiful.
Let's check it out. Oh, it's my favorite. Look right there, honey. It's the Lukhod lunar rover. It's a rover that the Soviet Union sent to the moon. Oh, that's so cool. On the top, it's solar panel for electricity. Oh, this one is amazing. It's so shiny. You can really see how big it is with her sitting there. All the different colored stone reflects the light differently. Wow, I'm really happy we came here. That's all the mosaics that are in this area. That was a lot really fast.
I just jumped like a Mario.
We discovered all of the mosaics and interesting spots inside Expo Georgia. Now what?
Now I want to go is 1 mile for see something.
That's right, we're gonna walk a mile and go see something else.
Let's go to see it.
Let's go.
Oh, that is an old car.
An old Lada, yeah.
It's cool. It's small.
It's in really good condition.
Yeah, I love the color. I think before they have the whole building here, but the finish.
Oh, yeah. Oh, a surprise mosaic.
Huh.
This is a Thunderbird. It's an old American car. You never see this generation of it. It's really rare. This is an old Benz. It says
280H.
yeah, 280S. I think that Thunderbird is from the early 60s.
Yeah, I think so too.
And is this a Buick?
I don't know that car, but it looks old.
It has the tail fins from like a 50s car. Oh, look at
I love
these.
the color. It's pink color.
Caballero. These must be 50s cars.
I think almost 70 or 80.
Look at the emblems and the hood ornament on that one, the airplane.
That is old.
Wow. An Imperial. Oh, these are so cool. A Packard. Wow. Look at this cool building.
Oh, wow. That is cool.
Yeah. It's really unusual. What do you think it looks like?
I think it's like a Jenga.
Jenga?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're right. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye bye. See you next time.